Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Rama Hare 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 Ram Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Rama Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Ram Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Ram Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada. Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Nitai Gaura Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. We should have 25 minutes kirtan and 5 minutes speaking. I said we should have a 25-minute kirtan and 5-minute talk. 25 minutes of running. Hare Krishna. Thank you for coming. So, reading from Shrutakirti Prabhu's book, What is the Difficulty? Intimate Moments in the Personal Service of His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So, continuing from pastime 62, this part is entitled Twice Around the World, and it's April 4th, 1973, Zurich, Switzerland, entitled, So Now It Takes Two Hands to Tell Time. While spending 2 days in a land famous for its quality timepieces, Shyam Sundar Prabhu presented Srila Prabhupada with a digital watch, the latest in wristwatch technology. It looked very modern. Its round face was completely black, except for a few seconds when a small button was pressed and the time appeared in red. It was quite innovative. I didn't know in 1973 they had this technology. Srila Prabhupada unemotionally put on the watch, and his secretary showed him how to use it. He explained that to view the time, you must press the button on the side of the watch with your right hand, and then you can see the time. It did not take long for Srila Prabhupada to make his evaluation of the latest technology. So now it takes two hands to tell the time instead of one, he said. So Srila Prabhupada is always practical. He was not impressed by so-called advancement of science and technology. For instance, on occasion, he would walk outside in the early morning, look up at the sky and seeing the moon say, "Today is Ekadasi." He would eagerly use any innovation that helped him in his translation work. It was a term we learned soon after we moved into a temple. As he states in Srimad Bhagavatam 4:29-56, one should not be attached to material opulence, but material opulence may be accepted in the service of Krishna consciousness movement to facilitate the propagation of the movement. In other words, material opulence may be accepted as yukta vairagya, that is, for renunciation. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada was not attached to any material facility, but he was completely attached to serving his spiritual master and Krishna. So nice, huh? Srila Prabhupada We get so fascinated with modern technology. And Srila Prabhupada just cuts you like that, saying, oh, now it takes two hands to tell time. When before it was easier, where you just lift one hand up. Yeah. So we get caught up in this modern technology. While I'm speaking, if you want to make any comments or say anything comes to mind, you can, huh? So we make it like interactive, So April 4th, 1973, April 4th, 1973, pastime 63, entitled Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. After leaving St. Moritz, we spent one day in an exclusive hotel overlooking the River Rhine in Zurich. Srila Prabhupada had a room and his entourage stayed together in the room next door. They were not adjoining rooms, however. When it was time for his massage, I had to go into his room to change my clothes to avoid walking in the hallway in my gamsha. One day when I finished giving him a massage, I inadvertently left my bead bag in his room. They were not the japa beads Srila Prabhupada had chanted on at my initiation 2 years earlier. Unfortunately, I lost them in New Vrindavan. I had considered asking Srila Prabhupada to chant on another set of beads for me, but I did not want to admit how careless I had been. My bead bag was prasadam, given to me by His Divine Grace. When I returned to Srila Prabhupada's room, I noticed, to my delight, his hand was in my bead bag. For the next half hour, I joyfully watched as he chanted on my beads. Again, Srila Prabhupada fulfilled my desire without me asking. I waited until he put my bead bag down and took my newly sanctified beads to our quarters. Elated, I bragged to the others how a miracle had just taken place. And then he goes on to pray to Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada, you always knew my desires and showed me such kindness. I never saw you chant on any japa beads but your own. That day you sat there peacefully chanting round after round on my beads. It brought me so much happiness. You stated that your happiness was seeing your disciples developing their love for Krishna. I pray to one day bring you happiness. So nice, huh? That Prabhupada, you can see he is not from this material world, eh? And Shrutakirti Prabhu was serving him so nicely, and he fulfilled Shrutakirti Prabhu's desire without even chastising him. That day you lost your beads, not taking care of your beads. Because Prabhupada didn't want us to neglect the beads. Like one time you saw the beads hanging on the door, I think it was, right? The bead bag hanging on the door. And he made a comment that why is the beads crying or something, right? Or something. Yeah. So Prabhupada is so merciful. Pastime 64. Bring me some 7-Up. This is April 5th, 1973, Pan-American flight, London to New York. Since Srila Prabhupada was transcendental and completely free to do as he pleased, flying with him was a thrilling experience. I never knew what to expect. This particular day was no exception. This particular day was no exception. Srila Prabhupada sat in a window seat near the back of the airplane. Shyam Sundar and I seated next to him. As was the custom on the transcontinental flights, the flight attendants frequently offered refreshments to passengers to avoid the dehydrating effects of recycled air. A flight attendant walked up the aisle with a tray of drinks in clear plastic cups and offered them to the passengers. What is that? Srila Prabhupada asked me as she approached our seats. Oh, that is 7-Up, Srila Prabhupada, I said. Would you like some? Yes, let me try it, he replied. I immediately requested 3 cups for all of us. Shamsundar and I waited for Srila Prabhupada to take the first sip. We wanted to be certain the 7-Up would be prasadam. We watched carefully as he put the cup to his lotus-like mouth. He drank some and put the cup down on the table. Ah, this is very refreshing, he said. We finished our drinks within minutes. During that flight, we had 7-Up 3 or 4 times. Each time Srila Prabhupada drank one, he said, ah, very refreshing. This is very good. One time the flight attendant put the can down on the table along with the cups filled with ice. Srila Prabhupada picked up the can and asked, what are the ingredients? Water, sugar, citric acid, natural lemon lime oil. He read, oh, this is all right. This is very good. It is all natural ingredients. Srila Prabhupada was marvelous. He could have been doing a commercial for the soda. He was very enthusiastic about his discovery. I excitedly watched him enjoy each moment. After arriving at the temple, one of the devotees asked him if there was anything Srila Prabhupada needed. I could not think of anything. I could not imagine what the devotee could get from my beloved spiritual master. The devotee was determined to offer something to him. Well, he likes 7-Up, I finally said. You could get that for him. I convinced him that it was a good idea. That day the devotee brought a case of 7-Up and I stored it in Srila Prabhupada's kitchen. I must confess, for the first few days I was hesitant. I never offered a 7-Up to Srila Prabhupada. I began drinking it because I was afraid to offer it to him. Sounds like you, something you would do. I could not think of the right moment. Finally, the occasion arose. One evening, a temple president arrived from out of town to see Srila Prabhupada. While His Divine Grace was in his sitting room, speaking with the disciple, Srila Prabhupada rang his bell. I started towards Srila Prabhupada's sitting room when this devotee stopped me in the hall. Srila Prabhupada wants some water, he said. Okay, I replied, but continued to walk toward Guru Maharaj's room. Srila Prabhupada wants water, the flustered temple president loudly reiterated. Annoyed, I tried to keep my composure and replied, please wait, I want to ask His Divine Grace something. Apparently the disciple was trying to have a private conversation with Srila Prabhupada and I was interrupting. Lacking sensitivity and imagination, I did not immediately understand his needs. So I made my way to Srila Prabhupada's sitting room and offered my obeisances. Srila Prabhupada said, Srila Prabhupada, I said, would you like some 7-Up? Oh yes, he replied smiling, bring me some 7-Up. I raced back to the kitchen and filled a silver goblet with 7-Up and ice. Hurrying back to his sitting room, I placed the 7-Up on his desk in front of him and offered my obeisances. Srila Prabhupada sat back in his asana and sipped the drink. This is very refreshing, he said. Today's a nice day for 7-Up and ice. Huh? He got up from his asana and walked around the room enjoying his 7-Up. I remained in the room, blissfully watching my spiritual master enjoy the cold drink. My godbrother was surprised by the entire affair and anxious for me to leave the room. After Srila Prabhupada finished his 7-Up, I took the empty cup, offered my obeisances and happily left his room. I felt I had pleased my Guru Maharaj by this simple act, in spite of inadvertently annoying my godbrother. Shame. And then Prabhu prays, Srila Prabhupada, I am forever blessed by your causeless mercy. Thank you for the opportunity to witness your playful pastimes. Observing your confidential Leela allowed me a tiny glimpse of your association with the Supreme Lord. Your beloved childlike nature contrasted sharply with your lion-like Acharya profile. For pushing on Lord Chaitanya's movement, you forcefully did the needful. As a pure devotee of the Lord, you have no attachment to the fame and adoration that was constantly bestowed upon you. For this reason, you are worthy of it. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. We're not done. Oh, you got something to say?
After this all takes place, Sri Chaitanya Prabhu explains that many of Srila Prabhupada's disciples started drinking lots of 7-Up, and they thought it was okay because Prabhupada did this. But then Prabhupada actually mentioned, no, it's not so good. So we can't really understand the heart of a pure devotee like Srila Prabhupada. So it's hard to understand why it is he chose certain things at certain times and not at other times. Maybe you could just give us some insight there.
Why is he?
Why it is he chose certain things at certain times and not at other times. Like in this case, the 7-Up.
Like?
In this case, the
7-Up.
Yeah, specifically. And then also just thinking about when I was on Polish tour with Indrajimna Maharaj, it was on one of the days he brought everyone ice cream. But I thought that was because Guru knows how to melt the hearts of his disciples. And that was, for me, the reason there. But maybe you have something more to share on that.
Yeah, just like we read, when we read earlier, where Shuddhakirti Prabhu had lost his beads and was afraid to ask Srila Prabhupada to chant on the new ones. But Srila Prabhupada somehow knew, right? And then when we went in the room, Shuddhakirti Prabhu saw Srila Prabhupada chanting on his beads. So, I guess, who understands the spiritual master? Who understands Srila Prabhupada's Leela? He wanted to have 7-Up, so he decided he wanted to have 7-Up, you know. I don't know, Raghunath Bhatta maybe you can. We were the pastime is about Srila Prabhupada having 7-Up. You know, when he was on the flight, and then the flight attendant was serving the drinks, and then he asked, "What is that?" And Shuddhakirti Prabhu said, 7-Up. And then Prabhupada asked for some 7-Up. So Ganga Mata is asking that, you know, sometimes Srila Prabhupada he's strict where we can't have many, or you know, there's so much restrictions. You know, we can't have so many things. And then sometimes he's just makes the exception.
You know, the other thing is about that 7-Up. It was a once-off occasion, but somehow people think that's like an ongoing thing, and devotees now have 7-Up in India.
Yeah.
And sometimes they like to offer it on his
Vyasa Puja
because he had 7-Up. But the thing is, like sometimes he said certain things, like even he said, you know, when Bhakti Chaitanya Maharaj quotes that how a temple should have prasadam every day, and you know, you must have cook for 20 people, and somebody raised that question because he said that, but he didn't say it. He didn't say it on many occasions. So he said it at that particular time. So the thing is, sometimes we have to follow what he repeats, because it may just be circumstantial, you know.
Yeah.
And that's what happens, because you know, a lot of people like Giriraj Maharaj has got a good understanding of Prabhupada, it's like really very good understanding. Like there was one devotee, was Mr. Sethi, and Mr. Sethi was a very close associate of Srila Prabhupada, very, very close. Although he wasn't initiated, but very close associate. But they wanted to have the swing festival, and they wanted it from the temple. But then the pujari said no. But then later, as they were traveling with Giriraj Maharaj, and then they asked for it, and Giriraj Maharaj said yes, they can use it. Because if Prabhupada was here, he would have given it to them. So it depends on the devotee of how close he is to Prabhupada to know what is applicable at a particular time. And there in that book you'll see, like sometimes we have to do some things that would Prabhupada, which is maybe contrary to what Prabhupada did.
Yeah.
And that requires, Shurikirti said, sometimes we have to, do these things. How do we know that, to do certain things that doesn't affect the principles? And you're thinking, and he said, that requires intelligence.
Yeah.
So if somebody is like, the 7-up thing was a once-off thing. It was not like a
Because it could have been, at that time he was
It's
thirsty or
just a
something.
once-off thing.
Wanted to quench his thirst,
Yeah. On the other hand, he had also onions at times. So does it mean that you must have onions?
No. That was a different
It's a different,
occasion.
it's a different,
There was a,
to encourage that person.
Yeah.
He just had it. So it's different, I think that's what's like really important to note.
so we have to use our intelligence.
Yeah.
And whatever Prabhupada did was for preaching purposes and,
Yeah. So sometimes he just encouraged even like the stewardess or the host,
Yeah.
the air hostess. And he did different things at different times. But like it's more like certain things are once-off thing, but people use that once-off thing for the rest of their lives, in every situation. That's what you mustn't do.
And I was also thinking like the 7-up pastime is like, because we want to have that cool drink, therefore we use it. Oh, Srila Prabhupada had 7-up, so
Yeah.
we can have all the time or something like that,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it was so hot, and I know at some point I had it in India. And generally in India I don't drink these minerals and things like that. I just drink water. But I had it, and then we purchased another bottle. I just had a little, I think this is rubbish, I went and dropped everything. I won't have. So that's how we do it. Is it okay?
It's okay? Who can understand the mind of Srila Prabhupada? Yeah, and like Raghunath Prabhu was saying that I guess the closer the disciple or the devotee is to Prabhupada, he'll understand more. And Giriraj Maharaj was so close to him. Yeah.
Depends on the... even when you read a lot of Srila Prabhupada's books and you start reading a lot about him and his life and things like that, you learn a lot, and then you can like... But as you read, you must make notes of it, in the book, make notes.
Yeah.
You make notes, make notes, and then you cross-reference things. What he did there and he did on another occasion, and then what he did something on another occasion, and then you kind of reconcile everything. When somebody asks you a question, using like 3 different pastimes, you answer that question, but in a reconciled way.
Right. Yeah.
Reconciliation, yeah. That's what the devotees don't do, because they just quote Prabhupada said this, Prabhupada said
Different situations require different, handling differently. Yeah.
It's so nice that you're having these things. I didn't know you were having all this. Thank you.
Are we? Time up. He was just getting into it. Okay. Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai.
Shiva Jaya Jaya Gaur Chande Aradhika Shobha. I think so. Jahana Vidatavane Jagamanalobe Dakini Tarchan Dame Gadadara Dekhatiyadvidashini Vasa Chatradari Vasi Ratna Singhasana
Radhe
Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Shanta Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Saraswati Deva Govini Pracharini Nirvashesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Dishatharini
Namaste Saraswati Govini Pracharini
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktivinoda Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktivinoda Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Krishna
Krishna Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jai Om Vishnu Pad Paramahamsa Parivrajacharya Ashtatar Srimad Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Maharaj Prabhupada Ki Jai Om Vishnu Pad Paramahamsa Parivrajacharya Ashtatar Srimad Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Ananta Kruti Vaishnava Vrinda Ki Namacharya Srila Haridas Thakur Ki Prem Sikaho Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Ki Shri Shri Radha Krishna Gop Gopinath Shamakund Radhakund Giri Govardhan Ki Shri Vrindavan Dham Ki Shri Mayapur Dham Ki Ganga Mai Ki Yamuna Mai Ki Bhakti Devi Ki Tulasi Devi Ki Transcendental Harinam Sankirtan Yagya Ki Gaur Vimanande. Oh glories to the simple devotees. Oh glories to the simple devotees. Oh glories to the simple devotees. Oh glories to Shri Shri Guru and Gauranga. Glories to Srila Prabhupada. Namaste Narashinhaya. Namaste Hiranyakashipu Rakshaha Itana Shingha Paratana Shingha Yatayami Tatana Shingha Bahirna Shingha Hidayana Shingha Narashinhadev Sharanam Prapade Narashinhadev Sharanam Prapade Tava Kamala Varena Kamadvita Shringam Palita Hiranyakashipu Tanagangam Kashavadhita Hara Hari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare. Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare. Jagadisha
Vrinda Vinasheka Sundari Bhagavan Ki Bhakta Shrestha Prahlad Maharaj Ki Shri Shri Radharanath Ki Shri Shri Gaura Hari Ki Shri Giriraj Govardhan Ki Srila Prabhupada Ki Srila Prabhupada Ki Srila Prabhupada Ki Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda Ki